Hi, this is Mark from Show Me Construction, and today we have a situation where we have a toilet. In our toilet, the angle stop leaks, and also the reservoir to the tank, the float valve leaks. So I'm going to replace both of those today. First thing I'm going to do is shut off the water valve to the house. I'm going to flush the toilet because I got to drain this reservoir. Alright, and then I'm going to take this line loose, so we've got a pail of water here to catch the water. Take this off. The leak was right in here. On the valve, we had a leak right in here. We had to shut the water off already. But I'm going to go ahead and replace this valve, and I'm going to use a quarter turn valve instead of this. This is an old valve here, and it's kind of loose right in there. There it goes. Okay, there's the old valve. This is the new valve I'm going to use. It's a quarter turn valve. So I'm going to use yellow, put some yellow tape on here. Thread it on. And I'll tighten it up. There we go. And now, before I put the supply line on, I'm going to go ahead and replace the flush valve, the fill valve, the reservoir filler valve. Okay, so for that, I'm going to take it. I got to take it loose underneath here, and this is going to have a little bit of water come out now when I pull this up. Okay, that's typical of the amount of water that you're going to get. So we're just going to toss this down into the toilet. And we'll take our new valve. And we're going to set it down in that hole. Put the nut on it. They're really easy to change out. You just got to remember to flush the toilet once and get the water out of the reservoir before you pull this out. That's it. And then this toilet bowl filler will clip on the side of this. And this one will clip on there. What this does is when you flush the toilet, and this is in the down position where it's filling, water will fill this reservoir, but also it's going to run into this hose down into this channel, this tube, and it washes out around your toilet bowl to keep it clean as it's filling. And that's what that's for. So we're going to put now the supply line on. Put it on this. Put it on our valve. And then we're going to put it up and screw it up into the top of this, or into the bottom of this rather. This is our filler. And that's it. We successfully changed a angle stop and a tank fill valve for this toilet. And now we're going to turn the water back on and check for leaks. Okay, now I'm going to turn the water on. And it's filling up. And you can see water is shooting out of this. And it's washing out the sides of this. You can't see it, but it actually is. And we want to fill this, we want the water to fill and stop about 3/4 of an inch below the top of this. See, it's going up. We want it to stop lower, so I'm going to turn this down so this float drops down lower, and then I'll flush it again. Perfect, that's it. Now I'm going to put the lid back on. Check one more time under here for leaks. No leaks. We're good. And the angle stop valve, the supply line, and the reservoir filler at Home Depot, I got all three of those for less than $20. $19 and some change. And there it is. It didn't take long at all. About 5 to 10 minutes total. So anyway, if this video has helped you in wanting to replace your angle stop valve or your flush valve on your toilet or your reservoir filler, I hope it's helped. And if it has, hit the subscribe button and just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.